Hey there, I'm Carolyn from Homesteading Family, and you may know me as the food preservation lady, and that's because I've been able to teach hundreds of thousands of people how to safely can food to have really great, delicious, nutritious, and really safe food on their shelf for whenever they need it. I want to talk really calmly and really clearly about spoiled canned food and botulism, because this topic tends to bring up a lot of fear for people. And fear is not actually what keeps canning safe, so you don't need to be afraid. You just need to have a good understanding and the right process. Botulism can't be seen and it can't be smelled, which is why safety in canning is never about guessing. It's about using tested methods and following them consistently. That said, there are signs that food is spoiled in other ways. Things like bulging lids, leaking jars, visible mold, or strong off smells are all reasons to discard food without tasting it. And if something looks wrong, you don't second guess yourself. Just let it go. From a scientific standpoint, the bacteria botulism is destroyed through proper canning methods and through correct processing. That's why acidity, processing time, and processing method matter so much. So when people get nervous about canning, it's often because they've heard scary stories without any context. When somebody has a problem with botulism, it's because 100% of the time they have used the wrong method for canning or they have used the wrong processing times. So knowledge and proper processes is what makes canning safe, not fear. So you don't have to walk around being afraid of accidentally getting botulism if you are following proper methods and proper processing times. When you follow tested recipes and proven methods, home canning is completely safe, and it's a really great way to preserve food. So if safety questions make you feel nervous, I put together a free troubleshooting guide that walks you through the most common canning concerns calmly and clearly. It's part of my Canning Confidence Pack, and it's completely free, just to help you start canning really confidently. I'll leave the link below, and don't worry, you've got this. Happy canning.